Hey guys, Andrew here with Elephant Racing, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our Thru body front sway bar reinforcement kit onto this 1974 Porsche 911. Available for 69 through 89 Porsche 911, 912, and 930s. They distribute the sway bar loads into the bulkhead and double layer sheet metal just beyond the original single layer hull location. To begin, we'll start by removing all undercoating, paint, and corrosion within and slightly beyond the work area. Also, inspect the area for the extent of any damage. Prior to fitting the panel, weld up all cracks, if any. Install the reinforcement panel by clamping it in between the original sway bar bushing and the body. Tighten the bolts to make sure the panel is flush, and use a body hammer to remove any gaps along the edges. Tack weld the panel into place and continue to use a body hammer if necessary. Then skip weld the panel to the body as it minimizes warpage by distributing the heat as evenly as possible. To apply the primer, we'll make sure we have a clean surface for bonding, then add a layer of undercoating to match the factory finish. And you're ready for a layer of paint of your choice. And that's it. The Thru body front sway bar reinforcement kit is installed.